Thank you for your purchase on Funride, Herby. Herby has a strong body base with a set of wheels to make the ride thrilling and adventurous. It also comes with fun toys. We will first begin by attaching the wheels to the main body. To do so, turn the main body upside down and use your hand pressure to fix the wheels in the provided grooves. To do so, turn the main body upside down and use your hand pressure to fix the wheels in the provided grooves. Once you've done that, turn the main body right side up. And now attach the seat to the main body with the help of the side plastic locks. Insert each lock into the corresponding groove and ensure that the seat is fixed from all sides tightly. Next, insert the toy stand in the front. And your friend Herby is all set to take you out now. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.